Welcome back to SEOCurrent, your go-to channel for the latest tips and strategies in digital marketing. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic: things to consider before starting Facebook ads campaigns. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer, this video will provide you with essential insights to maximize your campaign's effectiveness and ROI. Facebook ads are a powerful tool for driving traffic, generating leads, and boosting sales. In today's video, we'll cover everything from setting clear goals and understanding your audience to crafting compelling ad copy and leveraging Facebook Pixel. So, grab a pen and paper, and let's dive into the world of Facebook advertising together. First and foremost, define your goals. What do you want to achieve with your Facebook ads? Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales? Having a clear objective will help you tailor your campaign strategy and measure success effectively. Next, understand your target audience. Facebook offers robust targeting options, but to use them effectively, you need to know who your audience is. Consider factors like age, gender, location, interests, and behaviors. The more specific you can be, the better your ads will perform. Research your competitors. See what kind of ads they're running and how they're engaging with their audience. Tools like Facebook Ad Library can provide valuable insights into your competitors' strategies and help you identify gaps and opportunities. Set a realistic budget for your campaigns. Determine how much you're willing to spend daily or over the lifetime of your campaign. Keep in mind that your budget will influence the reach and frequency of your ads. Start with a modest budget, test your ads, and scale up based on performance. 5. Choose the right ad format. Facebook offers various ad formats like image ads, video ads, carousel ads, and more. Choose the format that aligns with your campaign goals and resonates with your audience. For instance, video ads are great for storytelling and engagement, while carousel ads are perfect for showcasing multiple products. Your ad copy is crucial. It should be compelling, clear, and concise. Highlight the benefits of your product or service, include a strong call to action, and make sure it aligns with your brand voice. Remember, you only have a few seconds to grab your audience's attention. High-quality visuals can make or break your ad. Use eye-catching images or videos that are relevant to your message. Ensure they are professionally designed and optimized for Facebook specifications to avoid any issues with ad approval. Don't forget to install the Facebook Pixel on your website. This powerful tool tracks user interactions on your site and provides valuable data for optimizing your campaigns. It helps in retargeting visitors, measuring conversions, and gaining insights into user behavior. A/B testing, or split testing, is essential for finding out what works best. Test different versions of your ad by changing one element at a time, such as the headline, image, or call to action. Analyze the results to determine which version performs better and refine your strategy accordingly. Once your ads are live, continuously monitor their performance using Facebook Ads Manager. Pay attention to key metrics like CTR, click-through rate, CPC, cost per click, and conversion rate. Analyzing these metrics will help you understand what's working and what needs improvement. Finally, be prepared to adjust and optimize your campaigns based on the data you collect. If an ad isn't performing well, tweak it or try a different approach. Continuous optimization is key to maximizing your ROI and achieving your marketing goals. There you have it, the essential things to consider before starting your Facebook ads campaigns. Success in digital marketing isn't about setting it and forgetting it, it's about continuous learning, adaptation, and refinement. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to creating effective, high ROI Facebook ad campaigns. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to SEOCurrent, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.